Why do we do sujood twice in the salah? I mean, when we're doing salah, when we're praying, we bow, we do ruku' once, and then we do sujood, sajda, twice. We bow, we say Subhana Rabbiyal Azimi wa bihamdi, we stand up, then we go into sujood. The first time, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la wa bihamdi, then we sit up. Then we go twice. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la wa bihamdi. Why, oh why do we do this twice? Fortunately, Imam Ali alayhi salam was asked precisely this question, and his reply was rather fascinating. He said, as for the first sajda, when you place your brow on the earth, it means you are saying, "O God, you created me from this earth." Then when you remove your brow from the earth, you're saying, "You extracted me from this earth." Then when you enter the sujood a second time, you're saying, "O God, you will return me once more to this very earth when I die." Then when you remove your brow from the earth the second time, you're saying, "You will extract me a second time from this very earth on the Day of Judgment." And then Imam Ali alayhi salam quoted this verse of the Holy Quran. مِنْهَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ وَفِيهَا نُعِيدُكُمْ وَمِنْهَا نُخْرِجُكُمْ تَارَةً أُخْرَى. From the earth we created you, and into it we will return you, and from it we will extract you another time. So the first sujood is, from the earth we created you. And the second sujood is, from it we will extract you another time. And that's part of the wisdom behind why we do sujood twice. Giving you Quran tactics wherever you are.